And today's story is Follow That Tiger. And it's written by Dean Gray and Melanie Joyce. Let's see if you can catch him if you can. Okay. Follow that tiger. In the jungle something stirs, swishy tails, stripy fur, soft pink nose, paws and toes, follow tiger wherever he goes. Even the frog wants to follow him. Slink swish by crocodile, hiding in the bush for a while. Crocodile's looking out for tiger. He's gone in a flash, into the water, splash. Legs paddling, swimming fast, by the riverbank at last. Tiger loves swimming. Jump! Tiger goes up the tree. Can you see? Ooh, the monkeys swing away. They don't want tigers visiting today. I'd be scared if I was a monkey too. Down comes the tiger, claws are sharp, gripping bark, he lands on the ground. Whiskers twitching and looking around. I wonder what he's looking for. Rhino is snoozing, hippo too. Tiger suddenly walks on through. Look, I think he's going to scare them. What do you think? Past the grass and hissing snakes. Sss, not a single noise he makes. Stripes and stalks seem like one. Suddenly, tiger is gone. He's very fast, isn't he? Where is he? Can you see? Wherever could tiger be? Let's have a look if we can see tiger hiding in the bush. Nope. I see snake, monkeys, hippo, monkey, and a bird. Shh, wait, something is coming. Don't move, don't start running. Can you hear it? Stay very still. Be ever so quiet until... Roar! It's Tiger! He just likes to say hi when he's passing by. Oh my gosh, he wants to know, what is your name? He hopes you've enjoyed his tiger game. I hope you've enjoyed the game. I'll be very, very scared. And there goes Tiger with all of his friends. It's kind of like he was playing hide and go seek with his friends, wasn't he? That was an awesome story today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed reading it.